Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Morvish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing very delicious but different recipe for iftar. I am making potato quesadillas. It has cheesy, spicy potato filling wrapped in crispy tortillas, few simple ingredients, and you will have this delicious snack for your iftar tables. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I boil few potatoes and mashing them with the help of potato masher. I will put this on the side while I'm heating up some oil in a pan, adding some chopped onions, and I will saute them for like a minute or two, then adding some salt and crushed red chili flakes. Cook them for like a minute, and then I'm adding mashed potatoes in this mixture. Keep on cooking on medium flame until potatoes are fully covered with the seasoning and onion. Switch off the flame and transfer this potato mixture onto the bowl so it will cool down a little. Now I'm adding some Parmesan cheese and black pepper powder. Mix well and let it cool completely. Today I am using corn tortillas for this recipe. You can use flour as well, and then I microwave tortillas wrapped in paper towel so they will get a little softer and moldable. Now first I will spread some chili sauce on this tortilla. I'm using Sambal Oleg today. You can use whatever you like, and I will spread some ketchup on it. Then I'm taking some shredded mozzarella cheese and sprinkling on one side of it, and then cover the cheese with the potato mixture, like around 2 to 3 tablespoons goes on top. And then I am sprinkling some more mozzarella cheese, flip the other side of it and press very lightly with the help of sauce and potato. It will stick together. Heating up some oil. You can use butter as well to fry this tortilla right now, and on a medium heat fry until one side is crispy. Flip and let it fry and get crispy from other side as well. I'm taking it out on a piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil. Here you can see how cheese is oozing out. You know I like to freeze all my snacks, especially which I'm making for iftar. Here I'm sharing a tip, a mistake I did, that when I was putting in the freezer I didn't cover them, so few of them opened up. So when you take them out from the freezer, just fry them and you can enjoy this crispy from outside and spicy, cheesy potato filling from inside. Potato quesadillas. You can add chopped cilantro or green chilies in the filling, or you can even add some shredded chicken as well. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know, share it away with the hashtag Ramadan with Morvish. Please remember me and my family in your prayers this Ramadan. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.